I am Advocate R.S. Naik, President of ex-students, alumni of Utkarsh Vidyalaya stroke KRSS Vidyalaya, which is completing 60 years. We are completing now, coming on 10th June, 60 years, and for that we have already had a program on 10th of June in our Vadwai village. This is a village wherein there is lot of undevelopment was there, and now we students, we have studied here and have come up for the celebration of our 60 years. Many students have passed from this institution, have become lawyers, advocates, engineers, doctors, architects, scientists, and whatnot. I request our all the alumni or the ex-students to participate in this 60 years. Which entire year will be celebrated for the 60th years, completion of 60th years. Thank you all.
This year, KRSS High School is celebrating Diamond Jubilee of the school, and I'm glad that we have made a group of the alumni wherein around 700 to 800 students have joined the group, and we are going to have a special program to mark the beginning of the 60th year on 10th of June, wherein we are going to have a small program in the Vadwai village. This village is beautifully surrounded with beautiful trees, fruits, environment, and a very peaceful place, wherein the students of this village is highly talented, and there are lots of artists in the village. So we are going to begin the program on 10th and end the program in 61 years. After completion of the 61 years, we are going to end next year in 2025. So I request all the alumni to join in this program and let this be a very grand success. Thank you.
आम्ही सुरुवात या प्रोग्रामाची 10 जूनाक करतले. 10 जून 2024 हे दिसा आम्ही मानेस्तांक हाडून आमचे पयली 1964-65 जे पास आउट जाल्ले अशे एल्युमिनी आसतले तांकां थोडे फेलिसिटेट करतले. तशेंच ह्या वर्सा 10थाक जे भुरगे जाले तांकां पास जाल्या तांकां फेलिसिटेट करतले. आनी सुरवात ही 10 जूनाक जातली. ताजे नंतरचो प्रोग्राम जो आसतलो नेक्स्ट मोठो प्रोग्राम तो आमी फोंड्यार राजीव कला मंदिरान 30 जूनाक टेंटेटिवली 30 जूनाक करचो असो ठरयला की आमचे CM म्हण जाल्यार आमचे लोकल MLA मिनिस्टर तांकां हाडून आनी सगळ्या भुरग्यांक एक्स स्टुडंट जे आसा तांचे कलाकारांक सगळ्यांक एकठांय हाडून जे म्हणून हांगा शिकून मोठे जाल्या तांकां सगळ्यांक एकठांय हाडून आमी थंय बऱ्यांतलो बरो प्रोग्राम करतले. ही सुरवात आसा जस्ट, आनी वर्सभर अशे प्रोग्राम आमी करपाचो आमचो मानस आसा. आनी जेणे करून थोडे फंड रेजिंग करतले आनी ह्या स्कुला खातीर थोडे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जावं थोड्यो ज्यो कांय गोश्टी जाय त्यो हाडपाचो आमचो मानस आसा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.